welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this summer glam look. This is requested by my friend Allaboutthebass Faith. So she's trying to tell me about making or create a look for summer, and this is usually my summer or go-to makeup look, which is very fresh. It's just clean face and, you know, very subtle eyeshadow and lips. So if you're interested to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. Starting with a clean face, and then I'm using a setting spray first. Next is the primer. I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready Reducing Primer. This would help my enlarged pores here in the T-zone area. And also I'm gonna moisturize my lips. It's very dry right now, so I'm using this from Aquaphor. For foundation, I'm using this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation in Golden Neutral. For concealer and primer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in Light Ivory. To set my under eyes and my eye primer, I'm using the RCMA. So to set the rest of the face, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Foundation and NC40. This is very easy for me and very quick. I can do this makeup like 15 to 20 minutes depending on how precise I am with the face. Catch any fallout on underneath my eyes. So for my eyebrows, I'm using Loreal Stylist Brow Definer. Then I'm using the Benefit Brow Zings. Don't worry if you like mess up here, because you can just readjust it by using a concealer. What's most important for me is just a clean face, eyebrows, and lips. And really make sure that I set up my lid because I'm very oily, and if it's too hot, I really have a very oily lid. And then I'm gonna brush it off. For eyeshadow, it's just very simple. I'll start with this shade right here first. This is just like my natural, similar to my natural skin tone. Here, just a little tiny bit of color here, bringing back some color to your eyes. You just have to darken it up again on the outer corner. Just keep on adding. Okay, now we're gonna dig in our fingers to make it really pop. Use this brush to clean it up. Gonna do eyeliner on top, but normally I do is eyeshadows only. So I'm using black, and we are taking Decadent to use as an eyeliner. Sometimes if I do have much time, then I'm gonna use a liquid liner, but if I don't have much, this is what I do. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm taking Cocoa Truffle. Smoke it out, and we're taking Decadent. Dust it off. For my bronzer, I'm using my Too Faced. It's my go-to. I don't do too much contouring, just a little bit of swipe from the brush like this. Now for the blush, gonna slick here. Okay, using these two shades right here. I don't really highlight my face because when it's really hot, it would emphasize all my textured skin, so I try to avoid it. But just for the sake of this video, for those people who love highlighter, I normally grab the Balm Maryloumanizer. I don't like using a fun brush for some reason. I like to use this because I have textured skin and I want it really like hit just a certain area on the face. So I like to use this brush from Royal Techniques, just here in the upper cheekbone, and I use it here a little bit and on the nose. And when I do too much, I'm just gonna grab my blush brush and just, you know, blend it like that. It can blend nicely and evenly, and here too. For the lips, it's always gonna be from MAC. This is Russian Red. This is my go-to, and I do it on the inside of the lips only. And then I just spread it with my hand. And then next, Buttergloss. I have very dry lips, so that's why I try to use lip gloss to help moisturize my lips. To really set the face, since it's very hot and humid outside, if you really want your makeup to really last long, then of course we're gonna set it with a setting spray. Just a quick spray. This is the finished look. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!